In this video, I'll show you how to earn money referring people to WebStarts. WebStarts is everything you need to create a custom website, blog, or online store. It's free to sign up. There's no software to install, no servers to configure, and no code to write. Get started by going to webstarts.com and signing up for an account once you've signed up and logged in. Select Earn from the drop-down menu in the top right. The referral page helps you keep track of your earnings, as well as provide you tools to share and promote WebStarts. An easy way to begin earning is to send an email out to those you think would be interested in creating their own website, blog, or store. Type the email address for those whom you'd like to refer or import your contact list from Gmail and Yahoo. You can edit the subject line and message to say whatever you like, but be sure to include your referral link. Scrolling further down the page, you'll be able to share your referral link anywhere by copying it to your clipboard. Click the social media icons to share your referral link across social media. Both you and the person you refer will receive a $25 credit when they subscribe to a WebStarts business plan. All offers are subject to terms and conditions, which can be found at the bottom of the page. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.